sometimes Walrus doesn't like people standing in front of him. Here we have Walrus and Harry Hatman. Walter doesn't like Harry standing in front of him, so he splashes him with salty water and goes, "Wuh, wuh, wuh." Harry Hatman keeps quiet because he's a bit scared. So when you see Walrus and Harry Hatman together, they make the sound "wuh." Now, Walrus and Harry Hatman can be found in words such as wheel, wheat, white, whale, and also whistle. Now, Walrus and Harry Hatman also make a different sound. Find out next time to see what sound they make, okay? Bye-bye for now.